Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And I had somebody leave me a message on one of my videos that I did almost 2.5 years ago. And he can't get it to do it, so he said he must be missing a step. So I'm going to start from scratch. It was with 4 circles, and I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate of that circle. I'm making 4 circles. You can make as many as you want. And then I'm going to weld those circles. I'm actually going to make them black now. I draw everything in hairline. So this isn't really a new video, but evidently he's having trouble getting it to reproduce and can't get it to work. And then I'm going to hit P and put it in the center of the page, and that doesn't really matter. I just like center of the page. Then I'm going to take a 2-point line, holding down the control button and getting a straight line, hitting P and put it in the center of the page. Then I'm actually going to make that black too. And I think I stated in the video that this would look a lot better on the original video, that would look a lot better in color, but I do most of my videos for laser engravers. Anyway, and you can make this line actually thicker than the other lines and it'll blend. So there's 2 blends in your Corel. One of them is up here. It's a blend docker. You don't really want that one. You want this one. It's under your drop shadow flyout. You hit blend. And then all you do is just go from about that line to that line. That's all you do. I think in the original video I said you had to touch both of them. If you can just go from that line first to that line, it'll do it. You know, it doesn't matter where you hit that line to that line, it's going to do it. Then what's so cool about this, you can actually take your shape tool and move that line and make them different. You can change them up quite a bit by just moving that center line. Now, if you delete that center line, the blend goes away. And also you can take that line while you've got it selected. I've just got that line, and we're going to make that line a little bit thicker, maybe a little bit thicker still. And it's going to blend it from a thick line to a thinner line as it goes through. So that's a pretty cool effect. But anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. It's really easy. I don't think you can do anything wrong. Just take that blend tool, and you can see it go from a no sign to a box with an X, and then just move it. I don't care where you move it. It's actually going to do the same thing no matter where you move it. And then let go. Maybe that's what he's doing wrong. And then you can actually change, the blend, move it one direction. You could actually fill in colors here, put a color into that box. Well, maybe I shouldn't have gone there because maybe it won't work. There you go. And you can blend the 2 colors together if you do something other than laser engraving. But you can always take your shape tool and modify it. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.